This is Tiger from RobotDigg. There were questions on discount available, just like this. We are a company from Denmark or Germany who will wholesale or resell or dropship items from RobotDigg. Yeah, welcome. Is there a discount available? Yes, the answer is yes. But the discount is based on the order amount per purchase. Yeah, we have discount for orders, but the discount is based on the order amount per purchase or order quantity per purchase. We do not take yearly or monthly quantities, like estimated quantities that for discount. Yeah, that's not real because we are very we don't think it's very practical. So yeah, we give our policy, which is we think is much more practical. So it's based on order amount per purchase. That means whether you are end user or wholesaler, dropshipping web store owner, we have the same policy. At the same time, we provide a special discount for customers or wholesalers or distributors for long run. Example that if you work with us for 1 year, and you will get a special discount for order amount that like 500 US dollars, that which is not including shipping cost. But if you work with us for the second year, you will get a discount for an order which is 200 US dollars, based on 500 US dollars. Second year's partner, the discount will be down to 200 US dollars as example. Also, the discount ratio is different. We do not have fixed discount for all the item listed because the items are varied in not only partner and not only component but also equipment, so the discount is can be uh, just a 5 or 10 or something fixed discount. So it's a flexible. So our policy is flexible discount policy. Okay, that's our instruction on discount, and we'll come to work with RobotDigg as partners from all over the world, especially makers, store, and hardware store for 3D printers, small equipment, or other factory automation supplies providers. Thanks.